Today, we're right down the road from Ka Makana Aliʻi, here in the heart of Kapolei at our newest listing in Mehana.
This house has a VA Assumable loan, a fully remodeled kitchen, and so many more upgrades. Let's go check it out.
One of the things I love about this house is the kitchen and how sophisticated it is with its tech. You can knock on here, see what you want to drink. You can knock on here, see what you got cooking to eat.
But that's not the only feature this stove has. So it's actually smartphone enabled. So if you're at Foodland and want to go ahead and preheat, you can. Or when you turn on the burners here, this microwave exhaust is already going to turn on for you.
This house is perfect for entertaining. Check out this built-in bar area.
Thank you. I love this floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths upstairs. This room has tons of natural light, but also has the plantation shutters, so you can shut the sun out and sleep in when you feel like it. It also has a really large ensuite bathroom, so you're not bumping elbows with whoever's up here with you. This is the perfect spot after a long day at work to sit back, relax, and unwind, watch your furry friend run in front of you, and hang out.
So if you're looking for a 3-bed, 2.5 bath gem here in Kapolei, this might be the one for you.
Give us a call today, Austin and Christy Nakamura with Talk Realty. If this is the home or any other that you see, we're happy to take you and show.